until midnight.
This is a test of the new weather radio
warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather
special group receivers are automatically activated to warn you of impending weather hazards in northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas. Tests are normally conducted by the
National Weather Wednesday around 11 a.m. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even when you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for specific watches and warnings in the Kansas City listening area. This test is for the following counties. In Missouri, Cass, Clay, Jackson, Johnson, Lafayette, Platte, and Ray. In Kansas, Douglas, Johnson, Leavenworth, Miami, Lynn, and Wyandotte.
The test of the new